Marz here for Christmas Eve, Vlogmas Day 24 and 25. I'm going to combine them. If I forget to upload 23, I'll do that tomorrow because I want today to be fun. I don't really have to worry about anything because tomorrow after I open presents, I can worry about editing and stuff. But let's open up my advent calendar. Last one. I bet you guys will miss this advent calendar so much. There it is. It's all gone. Got an X-wing again.
What is happening?
Say goodbye, guys, to the advent calendar. Alright, guys, we're going. We brought some stuff. Hi, Yzma. We're going to Grandma's. Alright, let's go, guys. She's a present. We can't open her until Christmas. I got a Stranger Things sweater on. Guys, we're at my grandma's house and I'm just taking her out for a little walk. She's really excited because we had to see if she might go to the bathroom. Calm down. So hey, Dad.
Yeah.
And
Hi,
coconut.
how are you?
Just for you.
I like red velvet and coconut. You love?
You like red velvet and you like coconut.
He likes
Coconut shaving. She said.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Christmas, guys. I beat Natalie here, so. Boom. Let's go. Yzma. Christmas Eve.
This is an old classic one. Charger. Yeah.
Well, they might be done now.
Yeah, I'm filming for my YouTube. Christmas Eve. What happened? Oh, buddy.
Yeah, walk away.
Alright, guys, I'm ready to eat. We have to wait, but. Hope you guys are having a good Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, because this is what we'll see you tomorrow.
You called him,
Do I watch this side? Do I have to buy this version of the Grinch?
Yes, the Ultimate Edition.
Yeah, the Ultimate Edition.
I'm eating
Director's cut.
Doritos.
I probably can look it up on
Oh,
YouTube.
soft taco, yeah.
Ryan, you grabbing Doritos?
I think this is Dorito.
Yes, the first box is Dorito.
Alright.
Second box is normal soft. Third box is just, we're not normal, I keep saying soft. Normal, that's just normal. And then the third one's soft. There you go. I grabbed just Doritos and cornbread.
Oh, wait a minute.
Natalie's here.
Oh, it's a game. I'm like, what is
Indivisible.
I think.
We're ready in
that? Mine's not
justice.
yellow.
I have more of these upstairs.
You know what? Checking her snap.
This whole table right over here, Mom.
They will.
You want to do that?
Oh, hey. We're gonna open presents soon. We're getting ready. Buddy's getting pet. And he's enjoying it. guys, I got candy, cool shirts, Susie Pop from Stranger Things, Monopoly. I like Stranger Things. Stranger Things arcade book. And then I got Steve and the Demodog, Pop Pez. And then got Pez, a book, and ice cream bowl from Scoops Ahoy, and this, and some money. It's for Christmas Day. And I'm gonna have to do a tour of everything I got. Like you can see Steve pop figure fighting. I got Susie and 2 Scoops Ahoy Steves, because I got one that has his hair back and one hair up. Scoops Ahoy bowl, and the glasses from my grandma's house, and all this other stuff.